Now, we come to the Maxwell's equations. We will not see the equations in the mathematical form themselves, but we must understand their importance. The applied aspect of Faraday's discovery of electromagnetic induction led to the new branch called electrical engineering. But the theoretical study of this has led to the invention of electromagnetic theory of light, that is, how light, or more appropriately how any form of energy travels. According to Maxwell's equations, they travel as electromagnetic waves, and this has also led to the theory of relativity. So, let us see how Faraday explained it and how Maxwell explained it. Faraday had tried to explain the phenomenon by conceptualizing lines of force and flux density. This conceptualization was very useful because it told you about a 3D effect, a 3-dimensional existence of the two different loops, and this further led to vector calculus for getting a mathematical expression for electromagnetic induction. And through these equations, Maxwell was able to demonstrate that electric and magnetic fields travel through the space in the form of waves which are at right angles to each other. And when he theoretically calculated the speed, he found that this speed was in the very close range of the speed of light. He did not leave it at that. He very boldly stated that electricity and magnetism appear to be the manifestation of same phenomenon as the phenomenon of light, or we can say the phenomenon of every form of energy travel, and therefore, he concluded that all energy travels in the form of electromagnetic field. It is very interesting to know that a little later another scientist called Hertz was actually able to physically and experimentally measure the speed of electromagnetic waves. So, he not only proved the existence of electromagnetic waves, but also measured their speed and confirmed that that speed is same as the speed of light. So, this type of quantitative connection between light and electromagnetism is considered as one of the greatest accomplishments of 19th century mathematical physics for unifying all the theories of physics together, and this has led to the theory of relativity and further to many more consequences. Friends, thus we have seen today the electromotive force, the Volta's pile, then the electromagnetic induction and Faraday's experiments leading to electric generator, motor, transformer and transmission of electric power, and we have also seen a little bit about the theoretical aspect leading to electromagnetic nature of light.